Hello, welcome to another Cloud Phone System tutorial series. Today we will focus on how to create a conference room. This feature allows multiple users to communicate in real time, making it perfect for team meetings, client calls, and more. This guide will walk you through the process of creating a conference room in the Cloud Phone System. Step 1. Accessing the Cloud Phone System. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Applications menu located at the top of the page. From the drop-down list, select Conferences. This will take you to the Conferences page. Step 2. Creating a new conference room. On the Conferences page, click on the plus Add button at the top right. This will open a new page where you can create your conference room. Step 3. Configuring the conference room. On the new conference room page, you'll see several fields that you need to fill out. The name of your conference room. Make it something descriptive and easy to remember. Extension is the number that users will dial to join the conference room. PIN number is the password that users will need to enter to join the conference room. This is optional, but recommended for security purposes. Profile determines the quality of the audio in the conference room. For most purposes, the default option should be sufficient. Flags is used to set certain parameters for the conference. For example, you can set a flag to mute all participants upon entry, or to automatically end the conference when the last moderator leaves. We have created a separate video for the conference flags and how to use it. Account code is used for call accounting purposes. It's a code that you can assign to calls in the conference for tracking and billing purposes. Order field determines the order in which the conferences are listed in the conference application. Conferences with lower order numbers will be listed before those with higher numbers. Enabled this toggle determines whether the conference is active or not. If this is set to true, the conference is active and users can join it. If it's set to false, the conference is inactive and users cannot join it. Description is used to provide a brief description of the conference. This can be useful for providing information about the purpose of the conference, the expected participants. Once you've filled out these fields, click on the Save button at the top of the page. Creating a conference room in Cloud Phone System is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can set up a space for effective communication in your organization. Our customer support team is ready to assist you Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Want to learn more about our services? Book a 15-minute sales discovery call. Need technical help? Head over to our one-on-one 15-minute support video call. We look forward to hear from you. Thank you for choosing eToll Free.